Good morning, everyone. I had a question for you all. I've been showing you my videos on the food pantries and the food that you get there, and I was wondering if you all would like to see me do videos of cooking with some of the food from the food pantries and what I can come up with for good ideas and how to make the food stretch from the food pantry, and basically how to feed a family. And of course you can always multiply things up or divide them down, depending on the size of your family, or if you want leftovers or don't want leftovers or what have you. I just thought that might be a really interesting thing, because a lot of people go to the food pantries and then they are like, well, what do I do with it? How do I cook with this? I've got some random ingredients, but I don't have them that make necessarily a traditional meal. So I was just thinking that might be a good idea and might be something that people are interested in. Let me know in the comments if that is something that you're interested in seeing. Also, my channel's not big enough yet to have the community tab or anything on it. And also, I don't have the setup that a lot of these big YouTubers have yet, with the GoPros or the expensive cameras, the tripods, and all that other stuff. I mean, I'm just a person trying to do this with the equipment that I've got. So bear with me, once things get bigger and, I have access to more things with YouTube, I will definitely use that. But for right now, I have what I have, and I want to keep making content and keeping things coming for you all. So let me know in the comments. Thank you. God bless and have a nice day.